Welcome to another episode of the Fast Lane Car, and today we have this mighty tall pickup, the brand new Ram 1500 Quad Cab. And if you can tell, it's towing a boat, and that's because we're going to do another TFL car towing test. And today we're going to see if this can beat our reigning champion, the QX Infiniti 56. Coming up next on the Fast Lane Car. Andre, what do we have under the hood?
Здесь 3,6 литра, 6-цилиндровый двигатель.
He says it's a 3.6 liter Pentastar with 6 cylinders. How many horsepower does it put out?
305.
305, and how much torque?
269.
269 pound-feet of torque. Will you go hook it up so that we can do this towing test?
Хорошо, Роман.
Thank you. Andre, I did not know that Russians were big into wakeboarding and all the other stuff that you do here in Colorado.
Мне нравится отдохнуть на воде. Мне нравится.
Yeah, summer?
Нормально, да, летом. Хорошо. Хорошо, сейчас я подам назад, все будет нормально.
All right, bring it up. I'll help you. I'll let you know when you're getting close. Does it have a backup camera?
Нет никакой камеры здесь.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be helpful to have a backup
Это
camera?
самый простой грузовик. Самый простой.
You gotta do it yourself, huh? All right, come on, back it up. Back it up, back it up. All right, keep coming. Straight back, straight back. You're looking good, you're looking good. Nice and slow. You got about a meter, a half a meter. I'm doing it in European, about 5 inches. Now I'm gonna confuse him. Keep going, stop, right there, nice job. Now last time we towed this very same boat, we had the Infiniti QX56, and if I recall correctly, it went from 0 to 60 towing the boat in just under 17 seconds, about 16 and a half. Now the reason we do this towing test is to give you an idea of what it's like to pull onto the highway when you have to do it quickly. So let's find out how fast the Ram 1500 will tow, well, about 6,000 pounds. Andre, very impressive. Look at that.
Спасибо, спасибо.
Yeah,
Я
you
уже
are good at this.
много раз это делал. Хорошо, сейчас опустим этот.
Now, Andre, people are curious about you. You're from Moscow, right?
Я из Москвы, да, я родился в Москве.
So where do people go boating in Moscow?
На реке, на Москва-реке, конечно же.
Is it on the Moscow River? Is that what you said?
Да, на реке, да.
I would think they'd be more likely to go snowmobiling if there are such things.
Летом, понимаешь?
In the summer. Oh, there you go. Good work, dude.
Все готово.
Okay, let's see it come down. Let's see how much weight this thing does. There we go.
Хорошо, здесь надо цепи обязательно. Обязательно подключить цепи.
Yeah, put on the safety chains. Now we're going to be maxing this truck out, you know that. We're at, this truck's towing capacity is what?
6300.
6,400 pounds, not kilos.
Да.
Pounds.
Да.
And we've got about 4,000 pounds worth of ski boat and about, what, 2,000 pounds worth of trailer, give or take. Is that right?
Да, ты правильно говоришь, да.
Yeah, so we are right at this truck's towing capacity, so this will be an interesting test, to say the least. All right, here we go. Towing test. I have it in tow haul. I've got 305 horsepower, but only 269 pound-feet of torque, and that is not a lot given the size of this. All right, here we go. Let's see how fast this does. Let's see if it can break 16.5. It's floored. Oh my. There's 20. This is gonna be rather gingerly. Here comes 40. And come on, 50. Here comes 55. And here comes 60. What do you think, guys? Did it break the Infinity's record? Well, I got some bad news. Not even close. 21.56. 21.56. So, really, well, it feels okay towing. It needs more torque if you're going to tow something that's right at its limit, which is 6,000, well, almost 6,500 pounds. And I think if you're going to be towing boats of this size, I'd go for the Hemi. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Car. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe for a new video every day. See you next time.